Did you know that a single virus can turn your body's cells into virus-making factories? Today, we'll break down what happens when viruses invade and reproduce inside your body. Viruses are tiny infectious particles. They're not alive, like bacteria, and they can't reproduce on their own. Instead, viruses need a host, like your body's cells, to do the job for them. They can enter your body in many ways, such as through the air you breathe or through contact with contaminated surfaces. How viruses enter the body. Once inside, viruses look for a specific type of cell to invade. For example, the flu virus targets cells in your respiratory system. They attach to these cells using a kind of lock and key mechanism where viral proteins match up with specific receptors on your cell surface. Viral replication process. Once attached, the virus injects its genetic material, either DNA or RNA, into your cell. This viral blueprint takes over the cell's machinery, instructing it to stop doing its normal job and start producing new virus particles. The cell becomes a virus factory, assembling more and more viruses inside itself. Eventually, the cell bursts open, releasing these new viruses into the body, ready to infect more cells. Impact on the body. As the virus spreads, your body starts to feel the effects. What fever, sore throat, and fatigue do you experience during a viral infection? That's the result of your cells being damaged by viral reproduction and your immune system kicking into high gear. In response, your immune system launches an attack, sending white blood cells to the infected areas. The immune response. To fight the infection, your immune system releases antibodies, special proteins that lock onto the virus and neutralize it. White blood cells then destroy infected cells, while other immune responses trigger inflammation, like swelling and fever, to help the body combat the viral invasion. Even though this immune response is uncomfortable, it's a sign that your body is working to eliminate the virus. Common symptoms of viral infections. Symptoms like fever, sore throat, and cough are not caused by the virus directly, but by your body's defense mechanisms. These symptoms help your immune system fight off the virus faster, but can also make you feel pretty miserable. How the body fights back and prevention. Fortunately, your body's immune system has a memory. If it recognizes a virus from a past infection or a vaccine, it can respond faster the next time. Vaccines are so effective. They train your immune system to fight off viruses before they can spread. So, next time you're down with a cold or flu, remember, it's not just the virus making you feel sick, but your body working hard to stop the viral invasion. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science explainers, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.